Hey guys, it's Marco here, Fully Loaded Cars, and welcome back to our channel. And it's been a while since we've done a video on the SLC Retromod. Thank you for all the new subscribers that we got from the previous video of our Retromod, and we'll put the link up here so you can go back and watch that if you haven't done so already. And this one follows in the same lines. Mercedes SLC AMG 55. It's a bit of a mouthful. And what we've done with that is it was a four-door, obviously, and we've taken the complete body off and we fitted a 1979 SLC body on top of that chassis. And not only have we done that, which was a job in itself, we actually made it into a replica of that era's race car with the bubble arches and all the spoilers to match. We started this one around at the same time as we did the other Retromod, so about 5 years ago. Because of COVID and we lost staff, this one's got left behind, but now that we've finished the other one, we can jump back onto this one. So in 2025, we'll be back on this and get it done. We've got to sort out the air ride. We're not sure if we're going to use the existing air ride or we're going to make a one-off kit for it. So we're still working on that. We also got to remove most of the wiring. This had a lot of extras that this car's not going to have because it's going to have a stripped interior. It's going to be more of a race car interior than a luxury car. So all the luxuries are going to be removed. So we're going to remove all the wiring once that's done, and then we can fit a roll cage. Got 20-inch rims which are custom built for this car. Custom built a bumper, bonnet. Also there's a roll cage that we need to build, and the custom dash. So this is what we're going to be doing, or this is what we're going to be working on the next few weeks to try to get this monster into paint for next year. This car actually belongs to a good friend of ours, Scott. He runs a wrapping company, Total Dynamics, I think it's called. Scott wants the car to represent or to replicate the 80s race car. And the original cars, all the kit was fiberglass, but we've actually made it out of steel because he doesn't want, fiberglass has a tendency to crack. Same with the front bumper and spoiler. That's all one piece that we've made from sheet metal. Same with the rear bumper. So the bonnet's aluminium. There is no fiberglass on this car like the original race car. So yeah, originally it was a four-door. The SLC is a two-door. So lengthwise it is pretty much the same like the wheelbase, but height-wise SLC is a lot taller. So we've had to put in 4 centimeters into the body of the SLC to get it to all look proportional. The doors are here. Yeah. So this is the section that we've had to get the right height of the car, because it was too low and it just wasn't working. So we've had to extend the doors with the wings and the rest of the car. The inside of the doors had to be completely made as well. So yeah, all the bottom side, we've made all of this to match the new sill panels, because again we had to make a new sill panel to fit the body. I think the sills, they're like 6 centimeters wider than the original ones. So we had to make these to fit the sills. And we've taken the original door handles off. And we've got these, Scott got these from America, I think the King Diglet, some tuning company. They're like Tesla handles, yeah, so looks a little bit trick there. Yeah, this is a AMG 55. It is fully loaded. It had everything. Cruise control, heated seats, electric memory seats, rear blind, every extra that you can imagine this car had. So yeah, a lot of that we're not going to use again. So we'll have a proper exhaust system made for the car once it's all finished. This is just going to give us the proportions we need to make, because it will have a rear diffuser on there, so we need the exhaust to incorporate into the diffuser. So these are just prototype pipes. 5 litre supercharged, I think it's pushing standard like 450 horsepower, something like that. And he's going to up that. It's going to be tuned to a lot more power than that once it's finished. Done a Supra for him in the past, and I will leave the link up there for the Supra that we've done for Scott. That one was wrapped, but this one will be painted. This one's too special to be wrapped. It has to be painted, this one. Yeah, these are Scott's wheels. He supplied, I can't remember the company he got them from, but they were made to his specifications for this car. They're one-off wheels. They're absolutely huge. It takes two of us to put these wheels on. They're like Jeep wheels. They're absolutely huge. Fabrication wise, we've only got to do the dashboard and the roll cage. Got a very specific cage that he wants made for this car, so we've got to design and make that, design a new dash for it, and fabrication wise, that's pretty much it. And then once that's done, and then we can take it into the prep room and get it ready for paint. There is no deadline for this one. Like most of our projects, we don't really put a deadline on them because that just affects the way you work, and you know, I don't really like to work under that kind of pressure. So no particular deadline. When it's done, it's done. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and we have set up a Patreon page. For that, you're going to get some behind the scenes footage, some uncut footage. If you want some of that, please subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. He comes here to pay rent, to chase people away.
Chases away.